Hey, that's Roblox.
Not a sponsor.
It's a little sporty out here.
We hooked up. Trent's fighting it. We don't really know what it is. We're thinking it's a red.
It turns like a red.
Got him off of blue crap.
Red is small.
Definitely ain't no kitty cat. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm holding the camera and
Make your excuse now. There you go.
here, lift her out. Hey, first one of the day. Only been sitting here for about 4 hours. It's not bad. What is he, about 23? There we go.
Great fish.
Very. Look at that blue tail. You can throw him in the pop.